That chain definitely needs replaced. I will be doing that in my future. What color does this produce in this room? Kind of golden color? Yeah. Looks pretty good. That's an orange and yellow A15 LED bulb. 5 watts a piece. Got orange and yellow. Have a pink one too. I'm not putting in this fan though, because of course it's only used 2 lights. I don't know if that went in. Blades are really way out of alignment, so this fan's gonna wobble pretty bad. Isn't wobbled much on this floor, but I can tell you when this thing gets hung in my new fan room, this thing will probably wobble pretty bad. So let's start it up. This thing has a startup hum too. Oh, there, you can hear it over the hot tub things, you know. I don't know who makes this, but it was made in January of 2003. It's definitely a little bit older than my sister. Medium. The fan is really sluggish. I don't know why. It's probably the Mega fan. It's not the best fan in the world. You can tell the blades are way out of alignment. Fan is wobbling. Get a better view of the out of alignment blades. You can tell. Yeah, it's out of alignment alright. Now, doesn't seem too scary on the floor, but when it gets mounted, it's gonna be scary. But let's kick it up to high. If this thing gets out of control, I will just turn it off by the switch. Yeah, canopy's vibrating. Have no isolation. You can tell this thing wobbles. Moves decent air. Wobble is exaggerated by the light there. I don't have the original glassware to this light. For some reason, my grandfather had it, and it just gone missing when I collected the fan. Alright, I'm gonna cut this thing off. It's getting a little annoying. I don't know if I can do the startup tune, but there you go. This unknown 2003 fan. Hope you guys enjoyed.